Alt R. Recording.
So you said that Little Pig is, June's going to take Little Pig where?
To the state fair.
And what did June do to get Little Pig ready to go?
To go out to the state fair.
Yes, what did she do to help Little Pig look really nice to go to the state fair? What did she do to Little Pig?
She brushed her own hair.
Oh, she brushed Little Pig's coat. And what else she did? What did she tie on Little Pig?
Her bow.
A bow, yes. And what does June think Little Pig will win?
The prize.
Oh, what kind of prize? A third prize, a second prize, or a first prize?
A first prize.
Very good.